Hi guys, welcome back to Soft Asia Tech. In this video, I will show you how you can add a call to action box in your WordPress blog or page using Divi Builder. To add a call to action button, first you need to log into the dashboard. Once you successfully logged into your site, go to post and click on add new. Now add post title. I will add call to action and publish the post. After publishing, click on use Divi Builder button. It will take you to plugin setting. Here you have three options: build from scratch, use a pre-made template, or clone existing page. I will select build from scratch. Now here you have to insert a row. I will add single row. Now add a module call to action. Now here you have to add title. I will add welcome here. In button you can add button text. I will add read more. And here in body you have to add description which appears here. I will add this one. Now go to design. From text you can change its shadow. I will not add any shadow. Just collapse text box and go to title text. Here you can change title font. I will add a bell. Make its weight to bold and size to 28. Now collapse title text section and go to body syntax. Here I will add acme. Make it bold and size to 17. I will add letter spacing by 1. Now go to button. Use custom style for button. Click it yes. You can change size here. Add color. Now collapse border button section. Now in the background you can change this background color. I will add red or this. Make it light by putting down this one and it will appear like this. Now click on the stick button, click on these three dots and then press save button. Now you have successfully updated your post. Click on exit visual builder button. Here's the live preview of your call to action box. Here's the title, the description and the background color. That's how you can add a call to action button in your blog using Divi Builder. Hope you learned something new in this tutorial. If so, please like, share and subscribe our channel for future updates about Divi Builder. Thanks for watching.